Let's take a look at a 5-year scenario and go just a little bit deeper. Now more than ever, farmers are needing to make decisions that are going to have a long-term impact on their business. Whether it be new legislation, changes in the business, opening up to more equity, these are the critical decisions that you need to actually be able to support and advise them on. Using the scenario tool, we can just model out a status quo over the next 5 years. How does my farm look if I continue to make the same decisions and the same assumptions year to year? With that now built out, we can copy this baseline and add in some larger assumptions. Can I actually comfortably retire in the next 5 years and know that the next generation are going to be free from financial burden? Would it be a smarter decision to continue leasing the neighbouring property, or is it more economical to purchase it? When we start to pull together that live production of financial data already on hand, it's going to create relevance and meaning for their farmers. Every now and then you'll be able to present a piece of information about what might be changing in the market or what's changing on farm. The reality is your farmers are going to come back to you and say, well, my farm's a little different. I do this, I do that. Instead, you're actually going to be able to make it relevant for them. Use their data, use their information that you've already got. We can also be using this tool across the practice. It isn't going to be used by one internal expert. It's actually giving everyone else in the firm the opportunity to learn more, develop their assumptions, and become experts as well.